The Import Vehicle Community Industry Impact Award honors individuals whose outstanding performance, integrity, dignity, and conscientious approach to business affairs are demonstrated as a matter of routine. The 2025 Industry Impact Award recipient is Kevin Evoy, Product and Category Management Consultant for Parts Authority.
This award is not just for me, but everyone I've met along the way and everyone I've learned from. I'm just a part of all of them. I mean, I guess all of them are a part of me.
We have an unbelievable team, top to bottom at Parts Authority. Really proud to work with Kevin. He's learned a lot while he's here, and he's taught us a lot. And I hope he just keeps, doing what he's doing.
Great to deal with. Very approachable, very responsive, and he's done a terrific job.
Every position I've been in has been part of a team. Getting an award like this means a lot to me, but like I said before, it's I wouldn't be able to get here without my teammates around me.
He's been incredibly valuable to our team, and fills an unbelievable niche with his expertise.
I think I'm proud of just helping everyone along the way, helping the customers find the parts they need, helping my colleagues with whatever issues I can, helping the vendors, and also just helping my companies succeed where I can too.
The biggest impact is that he has gone through a change as IMC, made some considerable changes in the way they catalog and the way they service the customers, and have turned that model into a very successful model.
I think what motivates me is, servicing the cars and making sure that people can continue to fix the cars the way they want to. There's a lot of customers that have different needs, and to fill those needs has always been something important to me.
We absolutely take pride in it, but really it's Kevin's achievement, and we couldn't be happier for him.
Kevin, congratulations for this recognition. It's well deserved. You've worked so hard. Way to go, buddy.
I have a deep love for the cars and the parts, and that's always been a big piece of it for me. I could be selling widgets, but wouldn't be as exciting as selling auto parts. Yeah, it's just been a fun ride.
Now, Kevin owes me $140. Is it a good time to ask him to pay me back?